Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're plunging into a really interesting part of understanding information, the PTE listening, select missing word task.
Yeah.
Imagine you're listening totally into a story and then suddenly, beep, the last word just gone.
Yeah, leaves you hanging.
Exactly. That feeling, that's what we're digging into, our mission today. To unpack this specific test item, help you understand how it works, the strategies, and do it pretty quickly.
Right. And it's crucial, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whether it's this test or just learning anything new, if you get the structure, understand the game, well, that's often the key. It's less about just memorizing stuff and more about seeing the logic underneath it all.
Okay, so let's unpack this task then. What exactly is select missing word?
Well,
Do
fundamentally,
you hear a recording? Right, like
Yeah.
20 seconds, maybe up to 70.
yeah, somewhere in that range. And just as it's finishing, instead of the final word or maybe a short phrase,
You get that beep?
you get the beep. That's the signature.
Mhm.
It's pretty unique to this task type.
And then what? You have to pick something.
Exactly. You'll see a list, usually 3 to 5 options, words or short phrases. Your job is to select the one that fits.
Fits how? Just the meaning.
Well, that's the thing. It's not just meaning, though that's part of it. It's about finding the option that completes the thought logically and grammatically.
So it's deeper than just vocabulary.
Oh, definitely. Think of it as active listening plus prediction. You're building a mental picture as you listen, trying to anticipate where it's heading. It tests comprehension, but also those predictive skills.
Okay, now here's something that really caught my eye, especially for anyone prepping for this test. You only get, what, 2 or 3 of these questions in the whole test?
That's generally right, yeah. 2 or 3 instances.
So each one carries quite a bit of weight then. Why so few, do you think? Is it super difficult?
That's a great question. It probably suggests it's a higher level skill check, maybe tapping into those more advanced inference abilities.
Right.
And because it's scarce, your strategy before you even hear the beep is vital. You get that 7-second window beforehand.
Ah, the pre-listening time. What should you do then?
Okay, first, glance at the instructions. They're usually standard, but check. Then, try to quickly grasp the topic from the context if possible. And crucially, scheme the answer options.
In just 7 seconds?
Yeah, it's fast. Look for, like, parts of speech nouns, verbs, or maybe common word pairings, collocations. You're priming your brain.
So preparation starts before the sound even plays. Fascinating.
Absolutely. Sets you up.
Okay, so the beep happens. You've maybe skimmed the options. Now what? It feels like you just grabbed the word that sounds right.
That's the temptation, for sure. Pick the one that fits the meaning. But there's that second check, remember?
The grammar.
Yes.
Yes.
You have to quickly check if the word you think fits also works grammatically.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine the sentence ends, the research showed a significant. And your options are, say, increase and increased. Meaning-wise, both relate. But grammatically, you likely need the noun increase there. A significant increase, not a significant increase.
Gotcha. So tense, word form, singular, plural. All that matters.
All of it. Structure and meaning. But this brings up another key point. What if you listen, you check grammar, and you're still just stuck? You don't know.
Yeah, what do you do? Is it better to leave it blank?
Good question. And the answer is absolutely not. You should always guess.
Always. Why? Is there a penalty?
No penalty. That's the key takeaway here. It's simple scoring. 1 point if you get it right, 0 if you get it wrong.
So no negative marking.
None at all. Which means there is literally 0 risk in guessing. If you're unsure, make your best educated guess based on meaning and grammar. Never leave it blank.
That's a huge strategic point for you, the listener. Always guess on this one.
Exploit that rule. Definitely.
Okay, so pulling this all together.
Yeah.
What's the bigger message here for you, our listener, whether you're doing this specific test or just, learning things day to day?
Well, I think connecting it back, tasks like this, they really show how understanding the mechanics of something can be so powerful. It's not just about the language itself here. It's testing your ability to deduce logically, to process information quickly when it's incomplete, right? To predict.
Yeah, filling in the gaps.
Exactly. And those skills deduction, quick processing, working with partial information, they're useful everywhere. They make you a more agile thinker, a faster learner.
So maybe the thought to leave you with is this. How does really understanding the rules of the game, whatever that game is, how does knowing the structure, the scoring, the little details change how you approach any challenge, not just a language test?
That's a good one. It shifts your perspective, doesn't it?
Yeah.
From just facing the task to actually strategizing within its framework. Makes you think differently.